Hi everyone, this is William speaking. Today I'm going to introduce you this liquid packet machine model that is 320. Those are the same model, but what's the difference? You can see here is the controller to control the temperature and mixture. So you can see here is the pan of the raw material. Okay, it's moving one and one. This is what we need. The mixture is made by 316 stainless steel, and you can see the layer here is not the same. Okay, and here is the heater. That's me. Okay, and go this way. You can see there is temperature sensor, and here is the water output. So this tube is input of the water, and you can see the water level here. That means inside this layer we fill water and use the heater to give enough temperature of this material inside of the raw material tank. And some of the material we will need a mixer to go once and one and make it flow and keep it warm. So you can see the difference here. Here's without controller, here without heater, without any sensor, just one layer, and inside everything is empty. So you can see the bottles, mixer, water tank of this level, sensor, and the controller and the heater things. Okay. Now we go to check the function of this model. It's running stable, following the practice field, and over there is the liquid pump, and it goes time to time. Let's see. And you can also modify the bedland, modify how many cc of liquid you want to inject. Okay, just a quick look. Also, we have a day printer here, but I didn't open that function. That's what we have right now. Liquid. So that's it. If you have further information or further question, just contact me anytime. Okay, bye.